Today we're trimming the old fig tree. It was so big, it was crashing on the bottom of an oak tree. So we're giving it a little haircut. We got rid of dried branches and any branch that was way too tall or twisted going into another larger branch. And what I have read about fig trees is that you can trim up to 50% and they will have better growth. After clipping several of the branches and I saw the green buds coming up, I thought, this gives me a very good idea. What if I try to propagate these younger clippings that are already budding? So I went around and saved as many as I could from the branches that were alive and thriving. And this is one of the long branches, so many little greenery. And I thought, okay, I'm going to test propagating the fig clippings in water and also in soil. So this is the soil. It's potting mix, nothing fancy. And I make holes on the bottom of the plastic containers so I have the water running and they are not just stagnant. And I'm trimming between 10 and 12 inches long. I didn't want to make them too short. Some places recommend to make them like 6 inches, but I just wanted to see as many of the nodes possible in my little clippings and just test. I have never propagated the figs before, so this sounds like a good option. Here I was sticking them in the water. They look all happy. See how cute they are? The day was so sunny, the light looks kind of yellowish. And after that, I ended up with the main branches that I trimmed, and I decided to just test putting them in dirt and check what happened later in the video. Don't miss that part. But for now, I am just putting them in the dry soil and I water them later on. I just stock the thicker ones. I don't expect them exactly to thrive because they were too big and too choppy. They don't have any greenery on them. So the little ones that are like pencil thick are what I hope is going to be more successful. And literally there are like 35 of them. I put them in water and in dirt and there's just a lot of them. I just didn't want to waste any chance. We're going to see what happens if they make it, what they like better, water or dirt, and how many can turn into little fig trees. I'm adding some water. Here I'm taking as many as I can, leaving a knot at the bottom. Or if they are budding already, I left that part under the soil. And it's one of the things that I love, propagating. So I put the root hormone to help them a little bit. And it's just really easy. I'm putting them in the lid so I don't contaminate the rest of the bottle. And then I just clean the lid and we're done. I didn't have a napkin available, so the lid is fine. These are the thicker ones, And that one, I don't expect much from that one, but I'm just giving them a chance. They don't have any green leaves to help them absorb the sunlight and the flow inside of the branch to grow something, but it's just a test. So we're going to see what happens in a few more weeks. Some have itty bitty little leaves, others have nothing, others have some little buds of future leaves already growing. Those are the ones that I think are going to be more successful. I have them sitting in a sunny spot that receives afternoon shade, and the weather right now is getting so warm that makes things more possible. I do the same to the clippings, the cuttings of the fig tree that I put in soil. I get them a little wet, I add the hormone and stick them back. This is the bottle that has the ones with the more leaves. So probably this is the one that is going to have more success. I don't know if they will grow better in water or better in soil, so it's going to be very interesting. I left them overnight, and I have watered the big clay pot, and what do I see next morning? The deer ate them. Yep, I'm planting and planting, and they are eating and eating. For now, they are looking a little sad, but they are adjusting, and I will give you an update of how they are doing in a few more weeks. If you are new here, subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you're liking and enjoying the videos. That always helps to grow the channels and to create a community of people that love gardening and having fun with dirt.